Ever posted a WhatsApp status you regret? Hey everyone, today, let's learn how to delete those pesky WhatsApp statuses and take back control of what you share. It's a super simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, make sure you're in WhatsApp and on the Updates tab. That's where all your statuses live here. You'll be able to see a list of statuses from your contacts and your own active statuses. At the top, find the status you no longer want to share with others. Next to your status, you'll see three little dots. Tap on those dots. Tapping the three dots will bring up a new set of options. From here you will see options like forward, mute, and delete. Now, tap on the delete option. This will bring up a little confirmation prompt. This prompt will ask if you're sure you want to delete the status update. Tap on delete again to confirm. Congratulations, your status update has just been deleted. It's that simple, right? You are now able to delete status updates. Now, go ahead and clear out any statuses that you would no longer like to share. By knowing how to do this, you can keep your WhatsApp profile looking fresh and always sharing relevant content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips.